Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up the cPanel email for your Gmail account. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this host pop-up documentation simply because I don't have access to a cPanel email at the moment. So let's get right into it and go over the steps. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is go over into the Gmail account where you're going to be setting everything up. Click on the gear icon to go to the settings and then click see all settings. From there, you're going to go over into accounts and you can check mail from other accounts. Click add mail account and that should be it. Then you need to enter the email address, click next, and that is pretty much it. Now Gmail only allows for pop type connections and the username is always the full email address, so make sure you enter everything fully. Once that's filled in, you need to click on the add account button below. Of course, you need to add the username, the password, the pop server, and check everything off as well. You can also change the port depending on what you wish for, and then your email account will have been added. And then of course you should check off, yes, I want to be able to send mail as your email which you just added. Click next, and then you can click here to add another email address on your own. You can treat that as an alias and then click next step. Of course, you can select the reply to address as well. And as you can see, for the SMTP server, you're going to be using the SMTP server you're using. Of course, always use the full email address. And the port number is 465 for SSL SMTP connections, which I do recommend you use the SSL secure settings for your email on cPanel. And then that is pretty much it. You can also enter and verify the confirmation code, or you can click the link in the confirmation email, and that should be pretty much it. And yeah, as you can see here are the default email settings. Of course, username and password are the full email and password for the account you're setting up. For the incoming server, it's mail.webtraining.cloud, and the IMAP port is 993, the POP3 port is 995, and the outgoing server is the same, and then SMTP port is 465, as we've previously seen. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.